Hello my friends, hope you all are doing well. So today is another haul video and I'm going to share my Purple haul with you. So yes, if you want to know what all product I have in this cute little box, then please keep on watching. So I've got few products from Purple. As you can see, this box is loaded with few products. So let me take out the product one by one and show it to you. So the first product is from Soet, and Soet Essentials, and it is from its Daily Defense range. It's a Day Shield Daily Moisturizing Cream, and it has moisturizer in it. It protects the skin from pollution, it repairs the skin, tightens the skin, and it has got SPF 20 in it. Actual product comes in this kind of packaging. This is the outer pack. All the details are in the box itself. So, and if you want to know the ingredients list and more details, then please check out my blog. I have posted everything there. The actual product comes in this sleek, nice and sturdy plastic bottle which has got a pump dispenser. Because it has a pump dispenser, it is very easy to take out the product, and at the same time it is hygienic as well. And this has a gel like consistency. It is very easy to spread it, and little product goes a long way. It hardly takes a minute to get absorbed in the skin, and it has got very mild scent in it which is very refreshing. So yes, I like the scent of this product. So every day I use this product only, nothing else. But if you want, you can go ahead and apply the moisturizer of your choice, and or if you are going outside, then you can apply foundation or BB cream after applying this cream. But on the daily basis, if I'm at home, I just like to apply this cream only. And this product is paraben free, which is a very good part, and it has got mostly the natural ingredients. So you have to check out the ingredients list in my blog. I just feel that the price of this product is little bit on a higher side. It retails for rupees 775 and you get 50 ml of product. So yes, the price is little higher. This product gives nice moisturizer to my face, so it is very good for the dry skin. But for the oily skin, people might feel a shine on the face after like 3 to 4 hours. So you need to set it or blot it with the blotting paper. So yeah, this product is very good for dry skin. That's why I'm loving it. Another product comes from the Plum, and it's their green tea pore cleansing face wash. It retails for rupees 345 and you get 75 ml of product. This is the outer pack. Again, the details are on the pack and as well as on my blog post. And the actual product comes in this kind of packaging, white tube, sturdy. The flip cap is so tight that there is no spilling or leakage of this product. I have traveled with this product too. This product is very good for combination to oily skin, or if you have acne prone skin, then this is a nice product. Sometime back I was suffering with the breakouts. As you know that I was having few big pimples here and there. So since I've got this product, I have been trying it, and luckily this product suits me a lot. It kind of settles down or calm down my pimples, and I have seen a difference that no new pimples are coming up, touch wood. And yes, the only thing is that I need to apply a moisturizer after washing my face with this product, because it kind of dries out my face a little bit. But it is very good for the acne prone skin. So again, a thumbs up. And it is again a paraben free product, 100% vegan, and there is no animal testing for this product. Comes the hair oil from Banjara. I have used few other products from Banjara, and I love those products. It is Ayurvedic hair care product. The ingredients are sesame oil, coconut oil, olive oil, Rangraj, Amla, and whatnot. There are so many herbal things in this oil. I have got a trial pack and I have almost used it and it become half. So what I do is I just apply it at the night time. I do a deep oiling to my hair, and I just leave it overnight, and next day I wash it with. I get hair fall whenever there is a change in weather, and for last few months there has been a change in Bangalore weather, so I was getting little bit of hair fall. But since the time I have started using this product, I can see that there is less hair fall, but still there is hair fall, and it claims that it increases the hair growth, but I have not seen anything in that case. So I think I have to buy another big bottle and use it for a few months, then maybe I can see some change in the length of my hair. So yes, this is a nice product. It has got some sort of spice scent in it, very similar to, what to say, methi dana smell, fenugreek seed smell in it. So this trial pack retails for ₹99 and you get 60 ml of product. So and here comes the last product. This is the packed one. I have not opened it yet. This is again from Banjara. It's papaya facial kit. It comes with the 4 tubes. There is a scrub, gel, cream and face pack. This is anti-aging kit for skin rejuvenation and it retails for ₹200 and you get this product. So yes, I have not yet opened it because I wanted to know whether you guys want me to do a separate video on how to do facial at home using this kit. Then I'll do a separate video for that. So please leave that in the comment bar if you want me to do that video, and I will make a separate video demonstrating the steps and everything how I do facial at home. So yeah, these are the products which I got from purplle.com. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. If you have any suggestion, then please do leave it in the comment bar. Hit the like button, share my video and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I will see you in my next video. Till then, bye bye.